Hello everyone, I am Zahra from Virtual World MOOC18. It's a course provided by EVO by Nelly, Nancy and Doris. And in this course we are going to learn how to use Second Life in education, in our teaching and classroom practices, of course virtual classroom practices. Well, unfortunately, so far I haven't been able to attend any Second Life presentations. The calendar is provided here, but the time zone, the connection problems, and my own lack of Second Life skill has prevented me from attending presentations. And thank you, Nelly, who shared this link with YouTube playlists with me. I keep watching presentations and try to learn from them and also reflect on them. Sometimes I enter Second Life and through the links, provided links for conference locations, I enter this place and try to explore something. For instance, now, as you see, my connection is very slow and it takes time to enter the Second Life. But I usually enter and go to different places related to our course and try to see people. I have just once connected with people. Okay, as you see, when I approach people, these people, they are here. It seems that they are offline. I go to these panels. You see, I'm not good at moving. Oops. Yeah. 4 easy steps. There are 4 steps. I try to go through different. Yes, as you see, I'm still not very much skillful with moving around. Here I go through different slides, read them, learn from them. Unfortunately, these people are standing here for a long time and I haven't been able to connect with them, and each time I say hello to one of them, it seems they are offline. Okay, let's go and see what are here other places related to our course. It seems that this sign is related to our course. Let's go and visit this place. Okay, as you see here, there is a big panel. This panel shows the timetable. Oops, again, I bump into every door. Okay, as you see, the timetable of the presentations is also mentioned here. And there's a hall. I love this place. Wow, there is a voice here. Is anybody here or just a recording? Okay, as you see all around this wall, we see bio of presenters and here bio of our instructors. Women at work, I don't know what it means. Here's a staircase. Let's take a look. There's a voice of somebody who is talking, but I don't know anybody. It might be a recording or something. Okay. Upstairs is empty. Let's go back. Oops. Yeah, again, I bump into everything all around. I need to improve my skills. But I love this place. I would like to be here if the conferences are held here or wherever they are. Once I was here and one of the, I think, presenters or participants were here and we said hello. Yeah, again. Okay, I think I should leave this place. I hope I can attend one of the conferences, one of the presentations, and learn in addition to what I learned from watching the recordings, because I think when I am in a live session, I learn much more. At least I can ask people how to sit down, how to move more skillfully, as you see, not to stumble over everything, not to bump into every wall. Okay, thank you all for your attention, and hope I can see you in one of the presentations. Thank you and have a nice time.